So if you've got a problem with your gear stick staying over to the left or over to the right and not snapping back to the middle nicely, I can show you what's causing it and I can show you how to fix it. The bad news is, if the gearbox is still on the car, it's quite tricky. So, our left to right movement on the gear stick translates to this movement on the selector. And you can see it's not returning to middle, which is here. And that's because the inside of this casing is corroded, and so it's swollen up and it's pushing these bushes against the pin that's going through. Problem is, while this is on the vehicle, you've got the mount that sits here. So here you can clearly see the bracket stops you getting good access, not only to get this piece out, but to get anything in there to clean with. You can remove this entire section here so that you can get in this way. But it's a lot more of a faff while the gearbox is in situ than when it's off the car. But while it's off, let me show you what needs to be done. So start by removing this clip, like so. Excuse the state of my hands, it's been the end of a very long day, like I say. Now someone's already tried to grease this to solve the problem, but obviously it hasn't solved it. So I'm gonna need to persuade this out. That's how stuck it is, it doesn't want to come out. I'm going to need to use two hands. This should just normally pull out. There we go. Oh, right, and then we're going to get these plastic bits out. Now they've got like a relief cut in them, so they should, even though it's swollen, they should come out, and we can push through from the inside, hopefully get the angle. No, doesn't want to come out. Okay, well, they should just come out. If they're at this point where they won't just come out nicely, they're probably going to break when you take them out. So it's a very good idea to order a couple of new ones. They are literally pennies from the main dealers, so order a couple of new ones before you want to take this. So I'm going to try and get these out, but they're probably going to break, and then I'm going to have to get new ones tomorrow and finish the job then. Like that. So then what we need to do is we need to get rid of all the corrosion that's inside here. So for that we're going to use a small file, and we're going to go in carefully, and we're just going to scrape it around like this. And you can see all this. This is all the aluminium corrosion coming out. And you can see in the end here all the white furry stuff. That's what we're getting rid of. So once all that corrosion is removed, you can either refit your original bushes if they survived, or fit some new ones in there and just put a tiny bit of all-purpose grease in while you do so. I've got a couple of spare cars here that I'll probably be able to pilfer those off so that I can get these back together tonight. Let's have a look. Here's two I made earlier. Let's get these greased up and back in. And we'll just see if I've done it enough. There you go. It's returning nicely. Get rid of this excess grease at the end here. So we just put the clip back on. And then we celebrate a job well done. That's going to feel a lot nicer in the car. The gear stick just returning to center like you expect it to. So if that's been useful for you, then please smash that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you've not already done so. Until next time, see you later. Cheers, guys.